The Moulin Rouge, a night of Parisian glamour. Ready for a little razzle-dazzle? Then, welcome to the Moulin Rouge, the beating heart of Parisian nightlife for over a century. With its iconic red windmill spinning above the rooftops of Montmartre, the Moulin Rouge isn't just a cabaret, it's a legend. Since 1889, it has served up sequins, feathers, champagne, and high-kicking dancers in a spectacle that's part performance, part time machine. When you step inside, you enter a velvet-draped world of Belle Époque elegance. The lights dim, the music starts, and suddenly you're surrounded by glitter, glamour, and energy that fills the entire room. The show, called 𝐯𝐲𝐝, is a whirlwind of acrobatics, comedy, dazzling costumes, and of course, the world-famous French Cancan. Do I need to book in advance? Absolutely. The Moulin Rouge isn't just famous, it's consistently sold out, especially on weekends and during holidays. Scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the description to see available dates and times. If this is on your Paris bucket list, and it really should be, make sure to book your tickets well in advance, preferably a few weeks before your trip. Extra tips for visiting the Moulin Rouge. Dress to impress. No need for a tuxedo, but smart casual or evening attire is expected. Avoid shorts or sneakers. This is a place where elegance is part of the fun. Arrive 30 to 45 minutes early to get the best seats and settle in with a drink. Photography and video are not allowed during the show, so put the phone away and enjoy the moment. The Moulin Rouge is theatrical, over the top, and pure entertainment. A celebration of music, movement, and that unmistakable Parisian flair. Whether you're with a partner, friends, or even solo, it's a night you'll talk about for years to come. Click right here to discover even more hidden spots, local tips, and experiences that most tourists completely miss. Because Paris isn't just a checklist, it's a city to feel. Wherever you go, travel smart, travel slow, and make it unforgettable. À bientôt.